Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play curtain call on piano. We'll begin by identifying the four core chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These chords form the harmonic foundation of the piece. Practice transitioning between them slowly, ensuring each chord is clear and even. Aim for a consistent rhythm, perhaps counting to 4 for each chord before changing. This foundational practice is crucial for building confidence and accuracy. Now let's tackle the right hand melody. This part is quite memorable and uses a simple, stepwise motion. Pay close attention to the suggested fingering to ensure smooth execution and avoid unnecessary hand movements. Break the melody down into smaller 2- or 4-measure phrases. Practice each phrase repeatedly until it feels comfortable, then gradually connect them to form the complete melody. The left hand provides a steady and supportive accompaniment. It often plays a simple bass line, outlining the root of each chord. Focus on a consistent rhythmic pattern, perhaps playing quarter notes or a simple arpeggio. The key here is coordination with your right hand. Practice playing both hands together very slowly, ensuring they align perfectly. A metronome can be a great tool to help you maintain a steady tempo. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Begin at an extremely slow pace, focusing on the precise timing of each note. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Once the notes are secure, start adding dynamics. Think about where the music should be louder or softer and how to shape phrases. Regular, focused practice sessions, even just 15 minutes a day, will lead to a polished and expressive performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.